I had access to your email. So basically, no,
C5503 MPC.
because she's available. She's always here on Mondays.
Okay.
Monday, from like 9.
Okay. To first settings. 93 193. Can I borrow a pen, please?
Yeah. Here you go.
Thanks. And the paper I'm gonna write for you.
Okay, phone.
Okay.
What are you writing? The iPad is?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, speaking.
Thanks. 92 8 21 93.
Oh.
Paragraph, excellent administration skills.
Yes. How excellent administration skills. Excellent administration.
Yeah, well guys, that was the video. I was trying to show you how to put in the toner. I didn't talk because there was some couple of noises. It was like work. I was trying to help a client. Then I told myself it's relevant for me to do for you a video to show you how to install the toner. Also, you saw I tried to go and also check the IP address for the machine because somebody asked for it. So that's a good thing about that. Was a plus in the video. But anyway, those machines, most of them you put in the toner same way if it comes to Ryco. So that's a Ryco machine, very good machine. It's a color machine. Yeah, you saw the model number in the video. But anyway, most of them they use the same method to install the toners. You get me? So I wouldn't think that it's gonna be an issue if you watch a video. If the the machine is not the same, I don't think it should be a problem, because as long as it's the same what? The same, I would say same what? Same.
Spend your time, I can tell you exactly.
As long as it's the same model, I mean same brand. As long as it's a Ryco, it's gonna be okay, and you'll be able to do what, to install it in the machine. So well, that's it. I think I wanted to do something for you here, but nothing much. I'm driving out here. So I'm driving out here, so but that's it. The video is finished. Just I'm just recording extra stuff here. Yo, the road, I'm getting lost here. I should go back at the back. Yeah, I was getting lost. Now everything is fine. Yeah guys, please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. And also comment if you can, also share our content. Yeah.